They send a super handy user manual, which this takes less than 5 minutes to install, guys. Super easy. What's up, guys? We have the new Nilight tail lights for my F250. Bought this truck a few years ago. The tail lights are not in the best condition. If you look over here to this one, it's a little busted. And if you hit it with a pressure washer every once in a while, it kind of flaps a little bit. So Nilight was so gracious and sent us some tail lights. So let's get these bad boys installed. We're gonna install these with our handy dandy Super ATV toolkit. Put your handy dandy gloves on. Go ahead and open these up. Each one is sealed. Here's your new tail light. For this install, you're going to need an 8mm. You can use a wrench or ratchet. I personally prefer ratchets. Let's get to work. So you have 2 bolts that hold this tail light in. You've got one up here and then one down here. These are both 8mm. So get your wrench or your socket and get to work. So you take these 2 bolts out, and then this tail light's gonna pop right on out. You might have to take a little bit of finagling, but it pops right on out. And then you will undo all your plugs. I've got some LED going on up here, so I'll pop that one right out, the top one. And then you will twist the bottom one counterclockwise, and then it pops out, and that's how you remove the old one. So you take this little protective covering off. That's what they have to put on in the shipping so it doesn't get scratched up. This is our brand new tail light. Looks very nice. So you're gonna flip it over, and then you're gonna take these stickers off the back. They put them on there so when you're shipping, nothing gets in there, no dust or anything like that. Peel these bad boys off. Sometimes they come off in one piece, sometimes they don't. Just peel these off. Once you take your plastic off, you will grab your top light, which is your reverse light, pop it in. If you have the factory one, it'll twist in there. I don't. I have an LED one, so it just pops in. So we'll pop that bad boy in, and then you will put your brake light in. So you'll match up your tabs. This is my shortest here, so we'll push this one in, and then twist it counterclockwise, so it locks into place. It'll fit in there pretty snug. You have 2 pins. You have to line them up with the body lines. There's 2 holes right here. That's where they fit. So you go ahead and put that one up there at the top and then the bottom. And then you'll push this tail light into the truck. Push it all the way in. Once it's all the way in, it fits the body line. So now this is popped in. We will install our 2 8mm bolts. So again, you get one that goes up here on the top. Always start by hand tightening them. Do not start out with the impact. Once you start hand tightening them, then get your ratchet or your wrench and then start. Again, these only need to be hand tightened. Don't over torque them. It's plastic, it'll fracture. So you will come over to your passenger side. Same procedure. You have 2 8mm bolts. Unscrew them so we can install our new ones. Get your 8mm. You'll come in. Put it up. You'll do your bottom one. Once you get those 2 bolts out, you'll just pull on this like we did the other side, and it'll pop out. Once you pop it out, remember, take your reverse light out. Mine pops out because I have aftermarket LEDs, but turn it clockwise and then it'll pop out. And then turn this one clockwise, it pops out. This is your brake light. Peel off your plastic. And put this on again for shipping so it doesn't get scratched up. Super nice. Extra protection. Flip it around. You peel these off. Grab your reverse light. Put it in. If you have factory ones, just install it clockwise. Grab your brake light. again, you have 3 different tabs. On your factory brake light, you've got 3 different tabs. You have small, medium, large, basically. And so you'll line those up. This one's actually broke right here, but you can still line them up because I've got this tab right here and this tab. And once you push it in, you turn it clockwise, and that's it. You see these 2 holes right here on your body? That's where these pins go. This hole, that's where this pin and this pin goes. So you'll line those up. So you will grab your 8mm bolt and then put in here at the top. Always hand tighten them to start them. Put it at the bottom. Grab your ratchet and socket. That's it. That's it, guys. This is the old one. This is the new one. They look a lot better. The old ones are definitely faded. Factory specs are pretty good. Really like them. Again, this is the factory one that was busted. Super nice. Super clean looking. If you have any comments, let me know. If you have any questions, again, let me know. Thanks for watching.